Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the English language one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and today we have a fascinating word to explore, argument. This word is an A2 level noun, and it means a verbal disagreement or reasoning. Whether you're discussing ideas in a classroom or having a heated debate at home, this word pops up all the time. So let's unpack it together. An argument can take on a couple of different meanings. First, it might refer to a disagreement between people. For example, they had an argument about whose turn it was to do the dishes. On the other hand, argument can also mean a set of reasons used to support a point, like in a discussion or essay. For instance, her argument for reducing plastic waste was very convincing. Now, let's explore some synonyms. For the disagreement meaning, you could use dispute, quarrel, or row. Here's an example with dispute. The neighbors had a dispute over the property line. For the reasoning meaning, you might say case, justification, or reasoning. An example with justification would be, his justification for arriving late was hard to believe. On the flip side, let's talk about antonyms. For a verbal disagreement, words like agreement, harmony, or accord could work. For example, the friends came to an agreement about which movie to watch. For the reasoning sense, antonyms might include illogicality or irrationality, as in, her explanation was dismissed due to its illogicality. How does argument fit into everyday conversations? Imagine you're debating with your friends about which restaurant to choose. Someone might say, I don't want to get into an argument, but sushi is the better option. Or, in an academic setting, a teacher might ask, can you support your argument with more evidence? Here are a few more sentences to bring the word to life. The siblings had an intense argument about who got the last slice of pizza. During the debate, his argument was the most persuasive and well-structured. After a brief argument, they decided to compromise. Before we wrap up, let's review what we've covered today. Argument can mean either a verbal disagreement or a set of reasons to support a point. Its synonyms include dispute, quarrel, and justification, while its antonyms include agreement, harmony, and illogicality. I encourage you to try using argument in your own sentences and share them in the comments. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show and grow their language skills. I'm Alex, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.